Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a simple one. We're just going to sit down and put on some makeup. I mean, obviously my face and stuff is already done, but we're just going to focus on the eyes today. So I recently went to Ulta and I picked up the Colourpop Baroque, I think that's how you pronounce it, eyeshadow palette, because I realized I never done a cool tone look on my channel before, and I wanted to do a cool tone fall look. So we're just going to be using this one palette only, so it'll be easy for you guys to recreate. Again, I'm not no makeup artist. I'm just thinking about these things off the top of my head, so don't come for me if it doesn't look like the way you would think it should look like. But if you're like me and just like playing in makeup and just want to do something different for the fall time instead of the neutrals and the warms, then continue to keep watching this video. But before you do, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, let's just get into this tutorial. Alright, so again, as you guys saw from the beginning of this video, my face is already done. I'll link everything that's on my face down below. So we're going to start priming our eyes. I'm going to take my Perfect AOA Studio eyeshadow primer. And because I have these super long nails, I'm just going to take a brush, a flat top brush, and just blend out the primer. Okay, so now onto the palette. I can't pronounce this word. I don't know what the word is. Okay, so yeah, but it was the cool tone one in the whole collection, so yeah, I just decided to get that one because I have plenty of neutrals in my collection, so I just needed some cool tones. So I think what I'm going to do is take the color Bougie, which is this silver color, and that is going to be our crease color, and of course we're just going to have that all over. So it is it is messy, so be careful with that. And because it is cool tone, the bristles is making marks inside of my palette, but I mean, I'm only going to be using this. I really don't care. Ooh, okay, it's a little gray toner than I thought, and it's a kind of chalky a little bit, but we're going to make it work. And then whatever is left over on my brush, I'm just going to bring it down. Okay, so we have that down, but don't worry, we're going to make it look cute. So now I'm going to take a smaller brush, and then I'm going to go into the color Baby and this color over here, Lounge. I'm going to mix these two and start working on my outer V. Okay, so we have that going. This is very gray tone, cool tone than, you know, I was expecting. But you know, that's the whole point of this video. So Also, if you notice, I started to blend it outwards, even though I already have I already have almond shaped eyes, so I really didn't need to do it, but I just felt like it called for it. You know, it just called for it. So now for our inner corner and lid color, I'm going to take a flat shader brush, most likely. No. Let's do this one. Yeah, so I'm going to take this brush here and I'm going to go into, originally I was going to go into Secret. I'm just going to go into Secret. Secret is a shimmer, like a gray tone purple shimmer. Okay, so this is what it's looking like without any help. So, taking my little matte purple prime, spray my brush, then back into it, and let's see how it works this time. Okay, it's better, it's better. Okay, so I still think it needs a little bit more something, so I'm going to take another brush, not this one is dirty. I'll recently use that. Do I have another brush in here? Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go into the color, is it right here? Etiquette. I'm gonna go into there. It's a little bit more of a glitter in a way, but it is messy, so I'm tapping it off, and then we're gonna just dab this in the middle. Okay, so I think this is where we're going to end with the top of our eyes. Now for the bottom, I'm going to take this LA Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner in the color Cobalt. And then to blend it out, I'm going to take a little small pencil brush like this, and then I'm going to go into the color Stunner down here at the bottom and blend that out. I'm telling y'all right now, these colors are so powdery, so please be careful when using this palette. Okay, so I know we look crazy now. So now we can do everything else. So for mascara, I'm using my Snap Mascara from Maybelline. Now you could do liner. I'm gonna do no liner, but the lashes I'm going to do today is the Ardell 817s with my AOA Super Strip Lash Adhesive. So I'm going to put these on. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then we'll be back to finish up this look. Alright guys, so now we are back. As you can see, lashes just changes every everything. Lashes just changes everything. I freaking love this look. Don't mind my red eyes because of course when you put lashes on, it's a whole process. But I love this look now that I have lashes on. I know in the beginning it was looking kind of crazy, but I like it. If you wear like with an all white outfit on, or maybe an all black, you can most likely put a brown in your crease if you feel more comfortable and then do the rest of this look. But I bangs with it. But I realized that I need a little razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm going to take the color Ritzy, which is this middle color right here. And that's gonna be our Papa Razzle, Papa Dazzle. I mean, did it do anything? Probably, probably not. I'm not really sure, but at least I know it's there. So now you're probably wondering, well, Shorty, what type of lip do you do with this? You do a nude. Point blank period. You just do a nude. Ain't nothing else for it. A nude. So I'm taking my AOA Studio Wonder lip liner in the color Blogger. And the reason why I chose this lip pencil because it's a brown, but it's a cool tone brown. And then I'm taking my Juvia's Place lipstick in the color Lady. And bam. There you go. Ah, loved it. Of course, spray the face if you're going out somewhere, but I don't think I'm really going anywhere. But this face, this look, love it. Love, love, love it. So you can achieve a look using one palette. You don't need to dip into every palette. You can do it. Yes, it looks intimidating. Trust me, when I got it, I was like, what am I going to do? I've never done a cool tone look before. So of course I went on Pinterest and started looking up cool tone looks, and I think this is perfect for the fall and winter time because again, you can dumb this down. I don't say dumb this down, but you can dumb it down, you know, to make it a daytime look. Just don't put as much all of this on there, or you can do it like this and just wear it at night when you're going out to eat. If your restaurants are still open, you know, if you're still open, you can wear this look, you know, to go out or something like that. So I freaking love it, and I hope you guys did too. And if you did, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified when I upload my next video. Also, go over to my vlog channel and go ahead and smash that subscribe button and bell notification as well, because Vlogmas is coming up. I got a new camera, so your girl is going to be out here trying to vlog every single day for you guys for Vlogmas. So we'll see how that goes. So if you don't want to miss that, just head on over to that channel over there. So yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Oh, you better own it, 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 better own it.